Hey everyone, welcome back to If You Love Everything About Motorcycles, Performance Reviews, and the latest bike tech, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome content. Today, we have something extraordinary in front of us, a beast that has been capturing the attention of bike enthusiasts worldwide. Yes, you guessed it right. We're talking about the 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. This motorcycle isn't just a cruiser, it's a masterpiece of engineering, blending pure power with exceptional design. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what makes this bike a legendary piece of machinery, from its stunning design and revolutionary engine to the performance and tech upgrades. We're covering everything you need to know about the 2025 Yamaha VMAX. So let's get started. The Yamaha VMAX has been a name synonymous with power, thrill, and pure raw performance since its inception. The 2025 model takes this legacy a step further. Now, before we dive into the specifics, let's take a moment to appreciate what the VMAX stands for. It's a bike that combines the aggression of a muscle bike with the sophistication of modern engineering. With a massive 1700cc V4 engine, the 2025 Yamaha VMAX is the ultimate performance cruiser. Let's start with the design. The 2025 VMAX has kept its iconic look but with some significant upgrades to give it a more modern, aggressive stance. The front end of the bike screams power with a bold, muscular appearance that demands attention. The headlamp is an interesting mix of modern LED lighting technology and classic VMAX design. The dual LED headlights are sleek and angular, offering excellent illumination for night rides. The DRL's daytime running lights are now integrated into the headlamp unit, giving the bike a futuristic look, especially when viewed from the front. One of the most noticeable changes in the 2025 VMAX is the fuel tank. It's not just about aesthetics. This tank has been reworked to be more aerodynamic while maintaining that classic muscle look. The sculpted lines give it a bolder, more aggressive vibe, with the VMAX logo now embossed in a more prominent place. Moving to the sides, you'll notice the sleek, muscular lines flowing through the bike. The aluminum side panels give the VMAX a clean, futuristic look. The air intakes are designed to optimize airflow to the engine while also enhancing the overall aesthetics. At the rear, Yamaha has gone for a minimalist approach. The tail section has a sporty, compact design with a sharp LED tail light. The new exhaust system has a modernized, sleek look while maintaining the traditional deep, throaty growl that the VMAX is known for. Now let's talk about the heart and soul of the VMAX, the engine. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4 is powered by an upgraded 1700cc liquid-cooled V4 engine. This engine is an absolute powerhouse, producing an incredible 200 horsepower and 170 Em of torque. These numbers make the VMAX one of the most powerful cruisers on the market, and they deliver performance that will blow your mind. The VMAX's engine has been engineered for more than just sheer power. It's designed to give you an experience. The V4 configuration offers an exceptional balance of low-end torque and high-end power, making it perfect for both cruising and aggressive riding. The 2025 model comes with a ride-by-wire throttle system that ensures smooth throttle response and increased precision. Whether you're cruising at low speeds or pushing the bike to its limits, the throttle feels responsive and intuitive. In terms of the exhaust sound, Yamaha has tuned the system to ensure that the VMAX retains that unmistakable growl that we've all come to love. The deep rumbling exhaust note is not just about noise, it's a reminder that you're on a bike capable of incredible performance. The VMAX is also equipped with an advanced fuel injection system. This system ensures the bike delivers consistent power throughout the rev range while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. Even with the monstrous engine, the 2025 VMAX is surprisingly efficient, especially when cruising on highways or at moderate speeds. The 2025 VMAX comes with a 6-speed constant mesh gearbox that perfectly complements the powerful engine. Shifting is smooth and precise, and the gear ratios are optimized to make sure you can extract every bit of power from the engine without feeling bogged down. The clutch action is light but effective, with a system designed to minimize fatigue during long rides. Whether you're riding through city streets or opening up the throttle on an open highway, the VMAX feels solid and responsive. Its power delivery is smooth, ensuring that even when you twist the throttle hard, the bike remains composed. The gear shifts are sharp, and the system is calibrated for aggressive riding, offering seamless acceleration that matches the bike's menacing looks. When you're dealing with a machine that packs as much power as the VMAX, suspension and handling are key. Yamaha has equipped the 2025 VMAX with an upgraded front fork and rear monoshock system. The front suspension is a 43-inch telescopic fork, which provides a great mix of comfort and performance. The front suspension setup has been designed to handle the weight of the powerful engine while ensuring that the bike remains agile and responsive on the road. The rear monoshock suspension is adjustable, giving riders the ability to tailor the ride based on their preferences. Whether you want a softer setup for cruising or a stiffer one for aggressive cornering, the VMAX's suspension gives you the versatility to handle it all. One thing you'll notice when riding the 2025 VMAX is how well it handles. Despite its size and weight, the bike feels incredibly planted, and the suspension absorbs bumps and imperfections in the road effortlessly. The combination of responsive suspension and a balanced chassis makes the VMAX one of the best handling cruisers on the market. The braking system on the 2025 VMAX is another area where Yamaha has upped the ante. The bike comes with dual 327-minute front disc brakes and a 267-minute rear disc brake with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, as standard. These brakes offer excellent stopping power, with the front brakes especially providing incredible bite and feedback. ABS ensures that the bike remains stable under hard braking, even in slippery conditions, giving you peace of mind when you need to stop in an emergency. The braking setup, combined with the VMAX's weight distribution and handling, makes it one of the most secure motorcycles in its class. Yamaha has packed the 2025 VMAX with a host of advanced tech features. The digital instrument cluster offers a range of information, from speed and RPM to fuel economy and trip data. The display is clear and easy to read, with a design that complements the futuristic aesthetic of the bike. Another notable feature is the riding modes. The 2025 VMAX comes with 3 different riding modes: Sport, Cruise, and Rain. These modes allow the rider to adjust the throttle response, traction control, and power delivery to suit the riding conditions. Whether you're tearing through twisties in Sport mode or cruising down the highway in Cruise mode, the VMAX adapts to your needs. There's also a traction control system that helps keep the bike stable under power. This feature is especially useful when riding on wet or slippery roads, as it minimizes the risk of losing traction when accelerating hard. Comfort is another area where the 2025 VMAX shines. Despite its aggressive looks, the ergonomics have been designed to provide a comfortable riding experience. The wide handlebar offers a commanding riding position that makes it easy to control the bike, while the foot pegs are positioned for a natural and relaxed riding posture. The seat has been reworked for better comfort on long rides. It's well padded and offers good support, ensuring that you can ride for hours without feeling fatigued. The slightly forward-set foot pegs and upright seating position give you a commanding view of the road ahead, while the ride remains comfortable and ergonomic. V4 is positioned as a premium performance cruiser, and its pricing reflects that. Expected to retail at around Rs22-Rs24 lakh ex-showroom, it's priced similarly to other high-performance cruisers like the Honda CB 1300 and Suzuki B-King. The VMAX's massive engine, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge technology make it one of the best in its segment. So, there you have it. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700cc V4. A beast that combines pure power with cutting-edge technology and a timeless design. Yamaha has once again proven that they can deliver top-tier performance and craftsmanship, and the VMAX is a testament to that legacy. Let us know what you think of the 2025 Yamaha VMAX in the comments below. Would you take this monster for a ride? Make sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.